the workout I'm going to show you is total body workout. This workout is known as side-straddle half in the US military, and it is known as star jump, but it is commonly known as jumping jack. Jumping jack will help you to get a proper body shape, and it will increase your body strength, and it will reduce your extra body fat. So this is Zahid Ibrahim back again with another new video, and I think this video will help you to get a proper body shape. And let's jump into jumping jack. You have to maintain the rhythm of jumping jack, then you will get the fun of it. Maintain the rhythm. May Ramadan strengthen our chakra. Assalamu alaikum.